I go.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna test out the RVL 6x9. I just went to storage and pulled my inside speaker amp out. It's Autotech 1000-watt 4-channel, but I just got shit ran any kind of way right now. But this is my RCA Bluetooth adapter, so I ain't gotta run the RCAs all the way back. Just got this shit out right now. See, that's 6x9. So I got one inside. That one's still in the baffler. This one outside the baffler, just to see how it sounds. Like I said, I ain't about to adjust nothing. I ain't about to do nothing. I just want to hear how it sounds. But the Bluetooth adapter. So see what's available. Make sure it ain't on here. Hold on, I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. I gotta cut the one off on the phone. Alright, y'all, I got it wired and everything, so I'm about to go on and play this real quick and see where we at. Let's see. And I ain't adjusting no amp yet. I don't even know what it's on yet. And that's just one of them. I ain't even wired that one yet. Yeah, let me see what else. If I can reach around here. Fuck with this real quick.
Get exposure, ain't nothing change. I keep that thing like I was in Magnolia. Fucking BGs and busting brains, I thought Lucy told you. I tried to get put in the trap. Yeah, I've been thinking about when I was at C murder grandma house. Feeling the freedom for that. They let him out. That's about it. And I was with David Pouch. Baby told me I was chosen.
Yeah, like I said, I ain't adjusting nothing yet, so I just want to see how it sounded. Yeah. Stay tuned. Alright, this both of them playing. I got everything down on the amp. I'll loosen this one up. So that's just that one over there. Alright, y'all. I'm happy with it.